Welcome, today I'm with Citroen C3 2020 and I will show you how you can change the fuel consumption and the distance units. When you take a look right here in front of you on the screen, we can change this value. So we have to go right here for the start screen and we have to click on the home icon. Next we have to go for the settings and pick system. Right now we have to click units and go for a fuel consumption. And take a look, currently we're set up for 100 kilometers and we can change, for example, for the second option for miles, and take a look on the screen. I'm going to set up the last option, so as you can see we can easily change it. And take a look, that's how we can make change. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.